This is a modified side plank crunch. It's a great exercise to strengthen up your core as well as your glutes and work your shoulder stabilizers. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get on our side. We wanna make sure everything's nice and straight. Our arm will be straight and you're gonna lift up your hips. Again, everything should be straight, hips forward. I want this leg come off the ground and this arm as straight as possible. Feel like you're stretching your lat. Okay, and then you're crunching in and back out. Just like this. Crunch in the elbow, back out. Really try to get as long as possible. And then for this arm on the ground, I want you to have an active shoulder. So press the floor away from you. Okay? That is a modified side plank crunch.